As I said before, this is such a really easy recipe that you're going to be shocked at how easy it is. Even for someone who does not know how to cook, doesn't like to cook, or is scared of cooking. So I promise this is going to be very easy. Alright, so now, what I'm going to do now, let's cook it really, really, really good. So, as you can see, this is cooking very nicely. So, you can see it cooking really good. It's starting to cook straight through. So now you want to go ahead and start breaking up again. Now it still has some pink in it, so it's not done yet, but it's cooking really, really good. Go ahead and break this up really nicely. Make sure that you try and get every piece and break it down as best you can.